is
Almost snow. Almost.
almost.
Oh my god. Is this gonna be the second time that it snowed in Tipton?
No, the snow is the snow.
This is granizo.
Wait, so this is
This
a
is
Spanish
hit?
is granizo.
So this is a
That's
hit
a
of
little
snow?
little bolitas de hielo.
Is this a hit of snow?
Está tronando. This, how do you call? Melting so fast too.
Is that a hit that's gonna rain?
Yeah.
Is it a hit that's gonna rain?
It's raining and it's cold.
That means it's gonna snow?
No,
No.
the snow is the snow. It's not that cold. So,
I
it's melting. Look.
En el cumpleaños de Diana cayendo hielo. ¿Cómo la ven? ¿Verdad, hija?
Pero
¿Verdad?
no nieva, caramba, no nieva. Neva.
So
No
cold.
nieva. Ay, nieva. Neva.
Are the cars okay?
It's thunder.
Let's hope for thunder. It's so cold. It's melting. Okay, I'm going back inside. It's so cold. Woo! Okay, bye. Bye.
No lo saque, le va a dar una pulmonía.
¿Cómo
It's so cold. Bye.
Bye.